Hey guys, what is up? Redneck Crypto coming at you with another video. Before we start the giveaway, I wanted to show something, but if you want to participate in the giveaway for some Ethereum, I do a giveaway every day on the daily update video, so just comment anything you want to say down below, and then your Ethereum address, and you'll have a chance to win Ethereum tomorrow, the 14th. Real quick, I wanted to say Ripple is still right here, and I'm just saying.
And have already, and it's down 16% right now. I say it's going to go back down to about $2, in my opinion, by the end of this week.
And that was on January 5th. I just felt like pointing that out there. That was pretty accurate. But again, this channel, it's not really financial advice. It's just me giving you my personal opinion on certain things and trying to give you an unbiased opinion, as well as some knowledge about some things and some big news that's coming up. So let's get on to the giveaway. So we will be doing the giveaway for January 12th video. And there are 62 unique users. We are growing every day. And real quick, I just wanted to say, before I do this giveaway, I'm going to have a pretty big giveaway coming up that's going to be community based on how large it will be. We've hit 100 subscribers really quick, and I was wondering, I had an idea of, how many subscribers can we get by the end of this week, which would be I reckon 120. I'll say it'll end on 120, which is 7 days from now, and today is Saturday. Okay, 121 maybe. I will say the end of next week. But the way I kind of plan on doing it is, if we hit 250 subscribers by the end of by 121, then we will I'll give away $25 of Ethereum. If we hit 500, I'll give away $50 of Ethereum. If we hit 1,000, I'll give away $100 of Ethereum, and these will all stack, so each milestone we pass is a new giveaway. So if we hit 250, we get 25 giveaway. If we hit 500, we'll get 25 and a $50 to 2 different people. And if we hit 1,000, 25, 50, and 100 to 3 different people. And I'll also do some extra giveaways based on likes for the video, I guess. So if we hit like 100 likes, maybe $10, 200, we'll say $10 every 100 likes. And that will go to a random person. So I'll do a whole separate video on that, so look for that. Let's go ahead and pick our winner real quick. So Easton, oh boy, you guys don't pick easy last names, okay? Kagawama, sorry if I butchered that. Thanks for the update. Yeah, it really is. But congratulations, you've won. You will receive some Ethereum. And let's get on to today's video. I'll send you that after we finish up here. The markets have come back up pretty good and fairly strong. Ethereum with another just amazing day. I would rather see something go up 5 to 10% every day for a week or 2 weeks, rather than something go up 50% in one day and then crash back 25% of that. In my opinion, when it grows like Ethereum is right now, it's not really due for a pullback because it's not exponential growth. It's just it's not pumping, and it's probably not going to dump. But you can never really tell in crypto. But we are doing fairly well here. It's kind of leveling out and going back down a little bit and then coming back up. But we started the beginning of the week at about $1,000, and we're already at $1,300. If you look about a month ago, it was about $600, and if you look 3 months ago, you were looking at about $300 Ethereum, which was when it was, I mean, that wasn't really long ago at all. That was November. and we've gone up $1,000 per Ethereum since November. It's crazy to think about. Bitcoin's pulled back up above 14,000. It's not too bad. Bitcoin's kind of all over the place right now. It's really hard to predict what it's going to do. In the past 7 days, we are down from about $17,000 to 14,000 right now. And in the past month, we're kind of just down, really. But don't let that freak you out, because if we take a look at the 3-month, it changes a lot, okay? So in 1 month, we might be down, $3,000? But if you look at the 3-month scale, it was about $5,000 3 months ago. We're still up 3x, almost 3x, in 3 months. That's crazy. It's still insanely good. So people are like, man, Bitcoin hits 14,000, it's just done for, it's worthless. It's 3x in 3 months, almost. Ripple holding at about $2, just dropped a little bit below. As we can see here, it has been holding right at about $2 all day. Yeah, just, 10 cent give or take here or there. But it's been holding right about $2. Over the past 7 days, you can see it's come down a good bit from its new all-time highs of around 349, I believe was the all-time high. It may have actually hit 4 at one point. And it hit 381, came close to 4. And then now we're back to the 2s, which I think it'll probably stay for a little bit longer. And then once people realize, Ripple's actually got decent technology behind it, but it is more of a centralized currency in the aspect of the creators hold a huge majority of the currency. Therefore, they're going to do what will make them money. So Bitcoin Cash, $2,700, doing fairly good. It's all over the place, but I'm not a huge Bitcoin Cash fan, but I do use it sometimes for transactions because it's simply cheaper. And we got Cardano with a decent day here, holding in at about 83 cents. Litecoin pulling back up a little bit to about 250 almost. And IOTA with a pretty strong day, breaking $4 again. We see some pretty big, almost 10% and 10%ers up here. Bitcoin Gold up 66%. Not sure what caused that, but Bitcoin Gold up 66%. It's pretty substantial for Bitcoin Gold. I don't think I've seen it really move that high in ever. But Neo up 12%, IOTA up 11%, EOS up 8%, Dash up 4%, still over $1,100. We just see some good gains overall in general. You see a little bit of red here and there, but it's outweighed by green by far. So we've got some really good gains today. Our market cap's around $739 billion again, which is actually really good. I think right now we're really close to where we were previously whenever it showed an $800 billion market cap. But keep in mind, they removed the South Korean exchanges, so those were typically overpriced a bit because the demand was higher, causing the price to go higher. So it was kind of affecting the way everyone else saw the prices as a little inflated, so that's why they removed them. Let's see here. We got some, as we get a little further down, we see a little bit more red, but we see some big green. Smart Cash gone up majorly today. OX, it's just pumping, man. Let's see, any other big movers for the day? Qcash, Walton. Walton up for the day, 57%. It's always nice whenever you have like majority of your money in, let's say, Walton or something, and then it pumps 57% in one day, and you're like, whoa. I just got, cut my money in half, and then gave myself I don't know, well, that's probably a bad way to say it, but you just like got half of your money that you put in it for free, for nothing, which is just crazy to think about. There aren't really way too many huge movers today. Just a couple around 10%. There wasn't any real big news today either. Russia is starting a blockchain lab. That will be interesting. I wonder if it'll be something like Ripple or what will come from that. Let's see, South Korea has they've decided not to ban cryptocurrency, essentially, from what I'm understanding. One day you hear they're banning it, the next day you hear, oh, never mind, we're not. But hard to keep up with that. South Korea does play a big part in cryptocurrency, and we'll just have to see what happens to them, and what they do could lead to something that the U.S. might do, or something, being close allies like we are. Next up, paying Uncle Sam taxes in Bitcoin. So just talking about a little bit of taxes. There hasn't really been anything huge going on. Yesterday, Stellar went up due to a hedge fund manager pump, but really there hasn't been much news. We've just been kind of, we haven't had insane gains today. That's news is really what runs these numbers to like 20%, 50%, or it's really what runs these numbers up or down. But let's see. I think that's pretty much it for this video. So if you want to participate in the giveaway for the daily video, just leave your Ethereum address down below. If you want to participate in the community giveaway, I will do the video on that right after this, and you can learn more about that. And to participate in that one, you'll have to do it on that video. It'll all be on the comments for that video. And if you want to support my channel and you don't have extra money to give, or donate any extra coins, a great way to do it is to join exchanges like KuCoin or Binance through my referral link, and you're not giving any extra money. Binance is just giving me, or KuCoins is giving me, a % of what you would give them back to me, and then that kind of helps me do these giveaways and share the money through the community. So I'll leave my Binance and KuCoin referral link down in the description box below. I believe Binance has opened doors back to new customers, so that is a great thing. But that should be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.